Want to know how to convert a mail into a note in Shortwave? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first is simply open up your shortwave.com website or the application, and it should be under this interface. Should be your mail has a main interface or a home screen. Now, in order to convert it or write a note about it, you can just simply select any mail that you want. So I'm just going to select this mail right here, and if I want to convert it, I have to open my chatbot. So on the top left side should be seeing this chatbot icon. So simply select that, and here you can see how can I help you today. So right here you can just simply type in this. So you can just simply select enter once I have selected the mail, and now as you can see right here, it should read your thread and it should create a note just like this right here. That's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.